Hello traders, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm just going to introduce a fantastic strategy using Ichimoku indicator. As I mentioned before, Ichimoku is more than one indicator. It's a system. I use Ichimoku in my daily trading. I'm not using any other strategies. You can grab lots of actually entry points and profit targets in one glance. So I highly recommend you to learn this system. This strategy has a winning rate more than 90%. This is one of the strategies I introduced in my course. In that course, I included lots of strategies, my personal strategies, even the strategies stronger than this one. I just put a link below this video that you can have access to my website and the course, and email us any question you might have. So let's dive into this strategy. In this strategy, I'm just gonna look for a divergence between price and Kumo cloud. For this purpose, I'm just going to turn off based on the conversion line. Okay, I found an example here. This is a 5-minute time frame Euro USD, so you can use this one in Forex daily trading. I'm looking for a lower low in Kumo cloud. As you can see, Kumo cloud formed a lower low, but as you can see, 26 candle before. This is the low associated with this low, so you can see price formed a higher low. This means that there's a divergence, and I can enter a trade at the end of that divergence after getting it probably maybe here. And I can enter a trade probably after noticing this is divergence, maybe somewhere like here, like 26 candle back, gonna be this candle. I can enter a candle like that. I'm going for a long position. Let's put the worst case scenario. I'm going to enter it here. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to use this one, this low, but I'm just going to use Ichimoku system as like a stronger basically indicator to use for target profit stop loss in that course. So here I'm just going to go 1.5. One of the interesting point about this strategy is it has a high risk to reward ratio, so you can go even 2 to 3, but I can just go 1.5 here, you can see, and then you can use the risk management methods to go get a higher actually target profits. There's another one here. You can see you have a higher high in the Kumo cloud, but a lower low at price. This one means that probably here gonna be somewhere that you're gonna notice the divergence, and 26 candle back gonna be this red candle. This red candle, you're going to enter the position somewhere like here, and then you're going to put a stop loss depending the history of the price and history of the Ichimoku system. You're putting a stop loss here, and then target profit 1.5 or 2. You can see it gives it up to 5 even. I'm just going to go 1. Like maybe 2. Here we have another one, so slightly a higher high for the Ichimoku cloud, but a lower low for price. So which means after noticing that, okay, it's probably going to be this point, 26 candle back, and this red candle, I'm just going to enter a short position, putting my stop loss, as I mentioned before, depending on the Ichimoku indicator or the price, whichever method you're using, and then going for risk to reward ratio of 2. Here is another one that is interesting. As you can see, a higher high, but as you can see here, a lower high for price. This is divergence. After noticing a divergence, probably you're going to be here, 26 candle back, probably you're going to be in this point. At this point, you're going to enter a short position, and just then a stop loss, and then take profit as like a maybe risk to ratio of 2. As you can see, this strategy can give you higher risk to reward ratio. So I'm going to look for another one. As I mentioned before, this is one of the strategies I included in my advanced Ichimoku course. I recommend you guys going there and then using the other strong strategies, because as you can see, it's not happening frequently in the market. So you need to learn other Ichimoku strategies in order to consistently trade at lower time frame every day. So if you just want to rely on one strategy, so probably you might lose some other opportunities in the market. Here is a beautiful example. A lower low, but this one is a higher low. This is a indication in that I'm going to have a divergence. Probably in this point, you're going to notice the divergence, 26 candle back. You're going to be in this point. In this point, you're going to enter the market in a long position. And and then your stop loss and your target profit for your risk to reward ratio of 2. There is another opportunity here. You can see slightly, even you can see here, slightly this pick is higher. So this one is higher, but the price formed lower, actually high. So this is a divergence. Probably you're gonna notice the divergence after maybe probably in this area, and then 26 candle back. You're gonna be this point. You're gonna put your stop loss. I'm going to put into the short position here. You're going to put your stop loss depending price and the Ichimoku and other actually component of Ichimoku system. Yeah, so you're going to enter the trade, and then risk to ratio of even in this scenario, it's going to give you 2.8. So even like I think you can get 3. The fantastic point of this strategy, if you can put your actually stop loss higher and higher, even in that case can give you even the risk ratio of 1.5 to 2. So this is one of the important points about this strategy. Okay, please practice this strategy in different time frames and different assets or different forex pairs. Because sometimes it happens more frequent in different pairs. And as I told you, always like practice your strategy before using on the real account. And also, if you want to learn more strategy using the Ichimoku system, as easy as this one, you can just click on the link below this video and then let us know your feedback. And till next video, have a good day.